Namaste. So we will now see how to install Jupyter Notebook in Ubuntu. Okay. We have already seen how to do in Windows. Now let us do in Ubuntu. For this, what I will do is I will first open the terminal. So let me open the terminal. So let me open the terminal and so once the terminal opens like this, generally in the new versions of Ubuntu, Python is coming like a inbuilt thing it seems. So just let us see if Python is already available in this. So for that I will type like this, space hyphen, then I will type version. If it is already there, it will show. Okay, command Python not found, you mean command Python 3. Okay, so yeah, it is only giving some suggestion. So let us try that. Okay, instead of simple Python, you will do Python 3. Okay, Python 3, and then space version hyphen version. Let us press enter. Yes, okay, so it is showing already there is some Python like 3.12.7. Okay, so we can utilize that already there is existing. So that's the thing. But suppose if that Python is not available already, then you can go to some browser. Okay, in the browser you type Python like what we did in the Windows systems. Python.org you type, and the official website will come. In that you go to downloads and then see. Okay, this is other platforms. Is there Windows, Mac OS, other platforms. So click on other platforms, and in that you can see Python for Android is there, Python for Java system is there. Okay. So yeah, specifically you are not seeing it for Ubuntu. You can see that Python for Linux they are not mentioned here. Right? You are not able to see that clearly here, right? So that itself implies nowadays Python is coming as inbuilt into the Ubuntu version. That's what you can understand by seeing this part. Okay. So you don't worry. Generally, if you have Ubuntu, it is already this Python part is there already enabled. Okay. That means if you simply type like this, Python 3 space hyphen version, you would have got some version of Python like this. Okay, so that's not an issue for you. Then what to do is, you wanted to see the path where these particular files are existing. So for that, what you do is, you type like this, space Python. Okay, you type this. So I am taking help of say Gemini AI and I have searched for some of the commands. Okay, so like let us try to do this.